Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to see how you can find people when they are working at a company and how to find their work email addresses. So let's get started. So you can click on the get started button, but I'll get this thing. So there are two ways that you can do this. So one is to actually click on this find companies, and you can then choose your filter. So if you want to add any keywords, then which companies do you want, maybe location based on their country or industry which they are in. Okay, but in this video I'm going to not do that. I'm going to import my own CSV because I already have a list of companies that I want to like find work addresses of people, and now I'm going to keep uploading this. Okay, after this has uploaded, we want to click on enrich data. First we want to find people who are working in this company, right? So find people at company, and we are going to use the company domain in this case to find people who are working at the company. And all obviously we want specific job titles only. We want CEOs, CTOs, or founders because they're the main decision makers, right? So we're going to choose CEO, CTO, and founder. Okay, you can choose up to 3 job titles. If you want, you can also include past companies which they have worked in. Well, I don't want it, so yeah. I'll add these columns. So once I get the answers, I would want a name of the person, the title, and the LinkedIn URL. And I'm going to run it for the first 20 columns just to see how it works. Okay, now we are getting quite a lot of decision makers of different companies. You might be able to see some don't have, like we are not able to find profiles for some companies. This is because maybe they don't have it listed on the LinkedIn, but company domain. But usually what you can do is if you have the URL of the LinkedIn company's LinkedIn URL, it will be much better because the accuracy will be, because they have people listed who are working at the company, so it will be more accurate results, give you more accurate results. So yeah, so now we have got the name, title, and LinkedIn URL of the decision makers of some people. Okay, so David Molina is the founder of Tweet Hunter. Harris is the co-founder of Jupiter. Okay, now we have these 3 things: name, title, and LinkedIn URL. And now we want to use it to find the work email addresses and check if they are valid. So we are going to click on the enrich feature and find work email. We are going to use LinkedIn URL of the person for this. So LinkedIn URL. And if you want to increase the match rate, sometimes you can also use a full name, the column of full name as well as first last name, just for more accuracy, as well as the domain company name. But I want to keep things simple in this one and use only the LinkedIn URL of the person. So I'll go ahead and run it for the first 20 columns. Yeah, in just then less than 5 minutes, we have got the working email addresses of main decision makers of the companies that I have already scraped. So Harris, we have got Harris's email address and it is valid one, as you can see in this one. Now these are missing input because obviously there are no profiles found here. That's why everything is empty and we haven't found work email addresses. But for these ones, they are completely valid. And yeah, we are done with this. Pretty easy, less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is find a list of companies, and then Posana will do everything for you, from finding people who work at the company, founder, co-founder, CTOs, anyone, and then you can get perfectly valid email addresses of them. So yeah.